The UltraDiag is a smart diagnostic scanner, and the built-in repair manual makes the work more simple and efficient. It supports mainstream European, Asian, and American brand models. Enter the vehicle's information to query the vehicle's technical service bulletins. You no longer have to worry about losing your VCI thanks to the magnetic mount. The VCI comes with a status indicator to visually display the working status of the UltraDiag. Full system diagnostics including engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, ESP, TPMS, immobilizer, gateway, steering, radio, and air conditioning are available. Detailed fault code repair guidelines can help you simplify the repair process. One-click recording of various vehicle data streams allow convenient playback at any time. Active testing allows you to locate faults more accurately during diagnostics. Save the diagnostics pre- and post-report with one click, allowing you to clearly compare the condition of the vehicle before and after repair. Using the UltraDiag with BT Mobile Pro S and T-Darts can also help you complete vehicle battery tests and key programming. Dive into diagnostics and key programming with the UltraDiag.